Hey guys, today I'm teaming up with my favorites, the Quick Flick, to show you their brand new collection of wing liners, and it's called the Get Lit collection. It consists of 5 incredibly beautiful, bold, out there colored wing liner stamps. So if you aren't familiar with the Quick Flick, their brand is all about wing liner stamps and making your wing liner application a million times more easy. So all of these colored eyeliners in the Get Lit collection are actually in the to the point size. So we have a gorgeous orange, a beautiful cherry red, we also have a pink, a purple and a blue, and in today's video I'm going to try on every single color so you can see how it looks on the eyes. These are they're absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited that Quick Flick has launched more colors. These are actually the colors that their most loyal customers have requested and selected. They actually have a Facebook page where you can give your feedback and where they ask questions directly to their customers, and so this is based on popular demand. So I'm really excited to show you guys. You can actually purchase this entire set exactly how it is on the Quick Flick's website, which is thequickflick.com.au. You can also buy each set individually, so if you just want 1 or 2 colors out of the set, you can buy them separately, and they retail for $34.99 each. They are such amazing liners. So if you're not familiar with the brand, when you actually get your Quick Flick, each box contains 2 pens, and that's because you have a left stamp and a right stamp, and on the opposite end you also have a felt tip liner. So it's because the actual shape to the point has a slight curve, so you need to put the left on the left eye and the right on the right eye. So it's amazing. You technically get double the liners in one set because you get the 2 felt ends as well as the 2 stamp ends. So it's really cool, but all the colors are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to get stuck into showing you each individual one on my eyelids. So the first shade I'm going to try on is Hot Summer, which is this beautiful, vivid, bright orange shade. It is definitely my favorite out of the entire collection. It is just so beautiful. I personally really love warm tones, so I feel like if you're a warm tone lover but you're looking to get into sort of really bright colors, then this would be the perfect liner for you to start with, because although it is super bright and vivid and pigmented, it's still very much in the warm tone spectrum. And I feel like when you pair Hot Summer with an orange eyeshadow, it is just such a beautiful summery vibe. I can't get enough. The formulation of these liners too is so pigmented. You only need to swipe once and you get really intense color payoff, which is absolutely incredible. So if you want to do a little matchy moment like me, this is the color I would definitely reach for. Then next up we have Cherry Bomb. This is Iris, the actual founder's favorite color, and I will admit when I first heard that they were doing a red liner, I was like, oh, I don't know about that, because sometimes I just feel like red can make you look a little bit sick when you've got it on your eyes, and I personally have a genetic eye disease, so I was quite worried. But it is such a wearable shade. It is still very bright and vivid, but not too dark. It's very much in between, and I feel like it looks like it's a blue based red, so it's very flattering on the eye, and I feel like it actually really helped to bring the green out in my hazel eyes. Surprisingly crazy wearable. I really was not expecting it, and it's just such a nice red shade. I just feel like they've absolutely nailed it, and I see why this is Iris's favorite color for sure. It is so pretty and it looks beautiful on her. So you guys already know the Quick Flick could not launch a colourful collection and not include a signature pink. So this is Pink Wink. It is an incredibly beautiful Barbie pink shade. It's a little bit deeper compared to like the orange, for example, which makes it that slightly bit more wearable. So if you love pink and you're wanting to dabble in some colourful eyeliners, definitely try out Pink Wink. The actual formulation as well of all the colours is incredibly consistent across the board, which is just amazing. I've tried many brands over the years and you get one colour and then you get another colour and the formulas are totally different. That is not the case with these liners. I know Iris, the founder, has worked so freaking hard on these and she has just nailed it. Pink Wink is just super pretty, and you guys know I had to have it to live out my Barbie girl fantasy. It's only right. So next up we're trying on the shade Purple Rain. It is this really gorgeous like darker purple shade, so it makes it very wearable, really easy to wear strip lashes on top of as well because it's a little bit of a darker color. It doesn't stand out, like the actual lash line doesn't stand out as much versus with the orange. I haven't quite mastered how to like apply false lashes incredibly seamlessly on my eyes, so please ignore that if they stand out a little bit. I feel like with a lot of these liners I'll actually probably wear like my black Quick Flick along along my lash line and then do a second line of color so that the color really stands out, but I have the black along the lash line so that it hides my false lashes. But if you don't wear false lashes, you don't need to do that. You can just put the purple straight on. I just have very uninspiring natural lashes, so if I'm doing eyeshadow and wings, I like to wear falsies too. So that's Purple Rain, incredibly gorgeous, like grape color. Then last but certainly not least, we have Evil Eye, and it is this beautiful blue shade. If you have blue eyes, please get this and wear it and send me photos of it, because I feel like blue with blue eyes is going to look so magical. This is such a lovely color. It reminds me of like the ocean and mermaids. I'm just freaking obsessed. And did you guys know that the Quick Flick customers actually named all these liners as well, which is so cool? So if you're a part of the Facebook community page, which I'll link in the description box, you can be a part of all of that. You can help pick colors, choose names, and help decide on upcoming product launches, which is really exciting. So that's all 5 colors tried on. So some little tips about how to wear colored eyeliner. So for me personally, I love really bright, bold, out there eyeshadow colors as well. So with every single eye look I did in today's video, I paired very complementary, very matchy colors because I really like color blocking. But if you want to make the liners really stand out, I would actually suggest using a contrasting eyeshadow color. So for example, with the orange, maybe do like a blue eyeshadow and then do an orange wing, and it's really going to make those colors pop. So if you're a little bit more simple when it comes to eyeshadow, but you still want to rock colored liner, I just recommend wearing it with no eyeshadow at all. Iris, the actual founder of the Quick Flick, she rocks just the colored wing liner all the time by itself. If you guys watch their Instagram stories, you'll see her pop on all the time, and she just rocks the bright, beautiful colors with just a little bit of mascara and her normal base makeup, and she freaking slays. I feel like it's a little bit more of a wearable way to wear really bright colored eyeliners, and it's super fun, and it's still kind of like, it's very eye-catching without being too much, if that makes sense. So they're my tips on how to wear it. Now, to get the longest wear time out of your Quick Flicks, it is really important to prep your eyelids. Even if you're not wearing any eyeshadow at all, I always recommend to prime them with either a concealer and setting powder, or even use something like the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, or even Too Faced Shadow Insurance, because this is an oil-based formulation. If you get really oily eyelids, you run the risk of your natural oils mixing with the actual formulation and it disrupting how it wears throughout the day. If you prep your eyelids properly, I guarantee you it will not smudge, it will not budge, and it will not fade throughout the day. And the easiest way to then remove it is actually just use a micellar water. The Quick Flick now has their very own brand of micellar water as well. So when you're ordering your Quick Flicks, you can stock up on that, and it's just super simple. Pop it on a cotton round, give it a really nice little rub, and it'll come off straight away. But without micellar water, it can be a little bit of a pain to remove, I'm not gonna lie. Things like I use the Dermalogica pre-cleanse, it does not get it off at all. So I definitely recommend, before you remove your makeup or use any of the facial creams that break down your makeup, definitely go in with micellar water on your eye makeup first. So if you guys would like to shop the Get Lit collection, I'm going to leave a link in the description box and also in a pinned comment. I'll also leave a little discount code for you guys down there, so if you want 10% off, make sure you use that at checkout. Thank you so very much for watching to the very end. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and also let me know what your favorite color is. I'm really curious. I feel like Hot Summer, the orange one, is definitely my favorite, but I would like to know what yours is too. So I'll be chatting to you guys in the comment section and in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.